Kuthiwa pha ku-Facebook akukho husband of the year ngandawo apha. Kuthiwa hlala phansi Sikhumbuzo akukho husband of the year ngandawo apha sogqiba uba i-deadbeat father. Yebethuna abantu ingathi bebehleli mani nezithuko zihleli kwi-drafts. They were waiting for this moment. The last time, actually the first time I heard about any scandal surrounding this couple we are going to talk about today was when the man was trending on Facebook for hitting on a woman on an inbox and was supposedly exposed, right? But that turned out to be some fake account masquerading as him, and that is very common on Facebook Street. This couple is honestly unproblematic, guys. They truly give positive energy vibes, and honestly this bomb had us all gasping for air. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. You guys know our power couple, right? Nozibele and Sikhumbuzo Mayaba. They are everywhere. They are here on YouTube, they're on Facebook, they are on TikTok, they're on Instagram, but everywhere where to Betuna, they have landed here on a gossip channel. Specifically, we're talking about Sikhumbuzo Mayaba, his ex-wife Nokhanyo Mzanga, and their son Little Tumi. Did you know he had a son from his previous marriage, guys? Because galoko we don't see Little Tumi anywhere on his content, but we are also learning that the ex-wife did ask for him not to post his pictures, okay? So it's not that he's ashamed of him because he's autistic. If you've been on Facebook lately, you know Sikhumbuzo is basically praised as husband of the year. I mean, people love him and his wife Nozibele and Diabatanda Nam, guys. The matching outfits, the cute pictures, the motivational posts, the whole perfect family vibe. But honey, behind the scenes, the streets are saying something very different now. So apparently Sikhumbuzo is being dragged online because of claims that he's not as present in the life of the older son, Tumi. Now, Tumi's mom, who is ex-wife to Sikhumbuzo, Nokhanyo, recently opened up about the real, raw, emotional journey of raising umntana wabo, and when I tell you, people were shook. A whole book. E-comments, they are still buzzing. But let's be honest, guys, and let's talk about it here. Social media never stays out of people's homes. In fact, social media is already in the living room with shoes on. Singene because it's ngabo. Now, here's another thing. We're not here to judge. We're just here to report the drama, okay? Every family has its story, its struggles, its secrets. And raising a child with special needs is a huge journey, guys. A beautiful one, but a heavy one too. So it makes sense that when Nokhanyo opened up, people felt emotional. And when emotions rise, the gossip rises with them, honey. One thing or another thing I want us to remember is that we are only hearing one side at a time. Sikhumbuzo hasn't come out guns blazing naye with a big statement. Maybe he will, maybe he won't. Maybe the internet needs to sit down and drink water. Let me add my 2 cents though before ndihlale phansi. Number one, we as women must realize and accept that we are primary caretakers of our kids. A man can choose to financially support a child and never be there emotionally. They can choose to be deadbeat fathers and live happily ever after. After a divorce and the man moves on, do you really expect him to keep checking up and being present? Do you really is it an expectation? Or you're like, it's whatever. If you want, guys, you cannot force a man. If uyafuna indoda uba indoda izoba indoda. If uyafuna uba ngutata izoba ngutata. But ukuthi uyayifostela okanye expose, it's really not gonna help. Ladies, oh ndiyanicela, we need to lower our expectations when it comes to these men. We need to accept the truth. I don't hail this ex-wife for coming out. Totally unnecessary. It shows that Kumumna, she is bitter. The sooner she focuses on her child and leave that man alone, the better. Lomfazi even says that she wonders if her child, because he's autistic, misses her father. Like, girl, why don't you feel that void you think might be there? Get your own groove back. Get a stepdad for that child and just let go. Also, guys, point number 2. People are mad at the fact that Skhumbuzo seems to be giving all his love and attention to this one child he has with wife Nozibele, as if he's a replacement to his first son, or ingathi unyanake because of an autism akamthandisisi. Can we stop comparing abantwana basemtshatweni? Yes, he's going to take more pictures with his second born son because he currently lives with him. His current life revolves around his kid and wife. It's a painful truth, but we need to accept it. Yes, God forbid, but if Skhumbuzo ngohlukana noZibele aphinda yochata amethi sabe nomnye umntana with another woman, you know what would happen? He would focus on that woman and the child, not kakulu or show kakulu. Nobody, we don't know what's happening in the background, but what we will see is his current family. I hope that makes sense. So yelling and barking and exposing a deadbeat will do nothing for you but make you bitter and actually hinder your own life's success. Lastly, this one is kind of a hard pill to swallow because it's for my girl that I love, Siswamo Nozibele Mayaba. People are saying that she has nothing to do with us and should be left out of it. She shouldn't be dragged with her husband. Asoyenza nasana asoyenza loo nto. Nozibele should know one thing about marriage. Your husband's kids are your kids. You embrace them, you support them, you are the mother to them. Make time for them as you do with your own kids. That is how the husband will also maintain a healthy relationship with all his kids. Ukolo for londo, because you are the glue. I loved it when I heard that Unozi and the ex-wife were actually in contact and would take each other in posts on social media. Honestly, I've never seen that. It is a good thing. An ex must communicate with the current, leave the men out, especially if there is a friction already there. Let the women handle it. Let the women do the parenting. But when background, now I don't know how that even got messed up now to a point where the ex-wife feels like she's on this journey of raising this autistic child alone. But surely there is something that we do not know here. For the mere fact that she's exposing Skhumbuzo, for me, gives me the idea that akuko right. What do you guys think? Is this a case of private family matters going public, or is it a wake-up call for parents to show up? When they decide that they're not going to show up, uzotini? Drop your thoughts in the comment, but please be respectful. It is my opinion that I just shared. You can share yours respectfully. We are here for the gossip, not to start world war, okay? So hit that like button also if you want more messy updates. Subscribe if you love the drama, and turn on notifications so you never miss the tea. See you next time. Bye.